Hello guys, today's project is to restore all these landscape lights. I removed these landscape lights from the front yard and going to use it in the backyard. Um, the problem with these lights is they are working fine because they are not the solar lights, they are the low voltage lights. The only problem is that for almost all of them, the stem which is used to put this lights in the ground, that one is kind of broken, and it is the known fact that these lights goes bad over the period of time. As you see, this one is broken, and this sticks which supports the light, these are not like sturdy. So my plan is to use or create the new sticks for these lights and restore them completely. For that I am going to use 3/4 inch this PVC pipe, and this is kind of a sturdy pipe. I've uh, I've cut them to 16 inches, so up to this mark it will be above ground, and rest of the part is going to go inside the ground. uh, Also I'm going to, and obviously it is not going to look nice, so I'm going to paint this using the ultra cover paint and Premier, so that will give them a good nice look and it will match with the existing light. So my plan is to, let me show you one of the stick which I've created, something like this. So this is going to be like this. So there is a hole, the wire which is for this light, it will go from here. Wire will come out from this hole, assuming that that wire comes from that hole. Then let me show you exactly how it is going to be. So it goes like this. The wire comes, right now the wire is coming from this end, but this wire will come from this hole. Then this portion of the pipe, this will go inside the soils, and it will look like this. The only problem is that this color is a gray color and this one is the black color, so which is not going to look great. So for that I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum paint to spray this entire pipe with the black color. So let me show you how it is going to look. And this is pretty easy project, not much is involved. So just give a good shake to this can, place that pipe, and then just like this, do it for all the side, and you will see that once it dries out, it will look very nice. The look will look very nice, finish will look very nice. So first step is basically cleaning up this nice, remove these connectors, then pass the make the hole in the existing pipe, take out the wire from this hole, and for that I'm going to use this drill bit. Okay, so once that is done, then at the end I am going to paint it out. But let me show you, this is how it is going to look. So as you see, I've already marked for all these lights, all these pipes, the portion which is going to go inside the soil. I will take this drill bit and make the hole, so that for each one of this light, the wire will come out from this hole. So that is this one. Then similarly I'll make the hole for others also. Okay, and so on. So let me do this, take out the wire and place them on the existing lights, and then I will show you how exactly it looks. Now one of the thing which I want to show you is basically these lights are looks kind of dirty. So you can use WD-40, just place little bit of WD-40 on the surface and just give a wipe. And if you now compare this light with this light, you will see the difference. Right? So this is what I am going to do it for all these lights. Not only I am going to clean this surface, but I am going to clean this area also. So basically it's kind of a restoration of the lights. So these pipes are drying out now after painting them or spray painting them using the black color. Once this dries out, we are going to use them. I found that this is the easiest way. Just use some nails to keep them straight on the ground, and then just spray paint all around them, and then we could use them once they dry out on the landscape light. Okay, so all the pipes are dried out and they are looking very nice. I passed the wire, fished the wire through this hole, and these are the connectors which are going to get attached to the wire. Let me show you how exactly this connector goes. So if I show you, these connectors are very simple. They have these plugs. Okay, you have to press the wire and then just push this lever so that spike pierce into this wire and it makes the connection. So same thing over here. So I'm going to press this wire and it will pierce through the wire. So this is done. So same thing I'm going to do for the last one also. Okay, here it is. Oops. Okay, so first and then the second wire. So now they are ready. I've decided not to cut this at 45-degree angles to make it kind of a spiky. The reason is I'm going to drill the pilot hole using this spike and then just insert this entire light from here till here into the soil and then connect it to the wire. One more thing which I'm going to do, as you see, these are like kind of loose. So using the glue gun, I'm going to put some glue over around this one so that it won't come out and it is kind of sticky. So first put the glue over here and then just press this one and then it will make it a permanent. So let me show you that part and then we are ready to install these lights on or connect these lights to the wire. Okay, the glue gun is hot now, so I'm going to just pour some glue over here like this all around, not much, just enough to make it stick it to the pipe. So once this is done, I'm just going to press this little bit and you will see it. Once it is stuck, then I can just remove this later on. So excess one I am going just removing from this one. Let me show you and see, it is very nice sturdy now. So let me do the same thing for one more. So just this one, pour the glue around little bit, not much is required, and once that is done, just press this over there. And that's it. This is now ready again for the installation. Now let me show you how to install these lights, or how to put them in the soil. So I'm just making some small pilot hole so that I can place this landscape lights in the soil, since there is no spike on that one. Usually when you buy them from the market, you will have some kind of spike which can go inside, but since there are no spike for this fixed restored one, I have to make some pilot hole, and it is done. And now I'm just going to place this light inside this one, and as you see, it is nicely tucked and it is not going to go anywhere. So the only thing is connecting this to the landscape wire, which I will show you in a bit, because over here I have not yet ran the landscape wire. This is another light which is going inside the soil, so I'm placing. Looks like I have to dig a little bit more. No, I think it is good. Yep. And this I'm going to connect to this one, the landscape wire. So you just place this landscape wire like this, and let the spike pierce through those wires to make the so that the electricity run. And over here it is nicely tucked, and then tuck this wire in the like this. So this is kind of done. So we are done with one more light.